Amazing. Every time you grab your phone, it smells good. Hello, YouTube. Just got a super special package. Thank you so much, Nuckies. If you don't know, Nuckies is probably the coolest thing I've ever heard of and seen. Hello, YouTube. What is going on? It is your girl, Orly C, and I'm so excited, guys. First of all, hi, welcome. If you're new to my channel, go subscribe because this is a really cool unboxing, hence the no makeup. I was just too excited. So let me show you. Some little package just came from Nuckies. Look at this. Ooh. So let me show you how cool this is. These two are their aromatherapy ones. Yes, you heard right. Aromatherapy in a Nucky. Now you're asking, Orly, what is a Nucky? I'm glad you asked. A Nucky, it's similar to the pop socket in that it goes on the back of your phone. So you hold your phone easier, it helps texting. So I'm gonna show you. So let me just take it back a little. Ready? So this is my beautiful Nucky set. I worked on a collab my girlfriend did, and they hosted part of my giveaway, and the giveaway winner loved their prizes, so I'm so happy. And I got these sent for me, which I didn't know, which is always a nice surprise. Look at these. So these are Nuckies. So you see this one? This is the demo model. So I want to show you real fast, just so you can get a hint of what a Nuckies is. So let me show you. You see this? It's a string. It's so strong, guys. Like, I love my pop sockets, but let me tell you, Nuckies has become my new obsession because they're just beautiful. So you pull this string, and let me show you. So you're gonna stick it on to your phone. Look at that. Ooh, look how good that goes. Ooh, I might do that one maybe. And the cool thing is that I really like, if someone has bigger fingers, like my husband has kind of bigger fingers, it fits and it can go any finger you want, and it stretches, and look, it snaps right back into place. It's really good quality, let me tell you. So this is the demo one that I received, and then I got my new one with the actual, look at this, aromatherapy. We're gonna test this one out, guys. Look at this. Like, gorgeous. Like, gorgeous, right? So I'm gonna show you my aromatherapy one. I'm really intrigued to see how it works and whatnot. Oh, look at this one. This is probably my favorite, the rose gold. Oh, yes, look at this gorgeousness. And I just got a new iPhone. You know, I always rock my Kimber official cell phones, but I just got a new phone. So this is my Casely case, in case you're wondering. It's cotton candy. Isn't that cute? But look how good this gold Nuckies, the rose gold Nuckies goes on it. Oh, and then this one, this little snow globe one. Look at this. How cool is that? Like, look how cute these are, right, guys? Right? Wait. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Like, let me tell you, Nuckies has kind of taken, they have taken a pop socket or a Nuckies and have elevated it 50 times, honestly. And I mean, like, look how cute this little case is too. So cute. So I saw there's different scents. So this one is grapefruit. This one, ooh, lavender. So I'm definitely gonna be opening the lavender. So I pre-opened it because for the video, you know, I'm a mom to 3, and let me tell you that I need to sometimes kind of chill out and relax sometimes. So I think lavender aromatherapy might be the best one. It gives you an extra sticky adhesive. There's already an adhesive here. You're gonna peel this back and stick it on, but I don't know how to do the aromatherapy, so I wanna make sure I am doing it right. Here's my gorgeous Nuckies. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at this little lavender. This is essential oils. This is, let me double check, I believe it's living, yes. And I've never used essential oils. My girlfriends have tried for a long time. Well, guess what? I'm gonna have it in my Nuckies. All right, I just wanna show you, it's been 20 minutes or so. Not going anywhere. So what I wanna show you also, you put it in the grooves, and look at this. You have this nice, lovely stand. And it doesn't matter, you can put it upside down at any of those 4 grooves. Look at that. You can even do that if you really wanted, like, say you're watching something on the plane, you know, on the small table. I don't know, whatever you want. I mean, of course it goes on the side, but I kind of like you have that option if you want to turn your phone case around. Okay, and what I love the most about the Nuckies, you think it's gonna, like, you're gonna pull it, it's so strong. You have no idea. Like, look at this. Snaps right back into place. Okay. So let me show you, this is the lip gloss Nucky, ready? So you have your normal Nucky, ready? Here. You need a little lip gloss? Everything's good. I actually do need lip gloss. I mean, just between my two Nuckies that I have lip gloss. Oh, this aromatherapy is amazing. Every time you grab your phone, it smells good, and it has that little pad like I showed you. You're just gonna add 2 to 3 drops. That's it, guys. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna have my husband open this one. This is their Nuckies Vibe. This is kind of like for guys, the guy version of Nuckies, because you know, my husband won't be rocking 118 carats or any of those. So this is the guys. They have a bunch of these. With the holidays, guys, this is kind of like the gift that keeps giving. It's strong. It's on there tight. It's real. I hope I can get it off. Well, maybe we'll leave this one on. So that's it. Thank you again so much, Nuckies. Also to my girl, Kimberlea. You don't know Kimberlea. We've done a bunch of collabs together. Nuckies, she works with them, killing it in the YouTube world. She's a mom. She's just honestly kind of empowers me and makes me want to keep doing this, you know? So thank you so much to you, Kimberlea. You guys, go get your own. I will put a link for you down below. Go get it because this is a really cool gift that just keeps giving. And I'm gonna do some future giveaways, so stay tuned. Maybe you'll get a Nucky too. Thank you so much. As always, give the video a thumbs up. Click my picture to subscribe. Check out some stuff I've done with Kimberlea. Check out some other stuff as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.